Hello everyone, let's take a look at all the ingredients I bought today and what Chinese dishes we can make with them. Look what I picked up: prawns, celery, potatoes, onions, and fresh coriander. The whole haul set me back just about $5. Wondering what cheap, tasty food you can enjoy living frugally in a tiny northeast Chinese city? Stick around to find out. First up, let's get all our ingredients cleaned and ready to cook. We'll save the prawn heads too, they're super useful. Time to fire up the wok. Let's see how these Chinese home meals come together. Let's take a look at tonight's dinner: stir-fried prawns, lettuce with oyster sauce, and sliced potatoes stir-fried with green peppers. It's healthy and delicious, isn't it? What do you think of these budget-friendly home meals? Subscribe for more authentic daily life videos from China.